Hello everyone, my name is Rehanata Wijaya, a student at ITPLN with student ID number 2025-32059. In this video, I will explain the process of creating an ID card design using Figma, starting from the initial state to the final result, including the tools used during the design process. First, I opened Figma and created a frame or artboard as the main workspace. This frame serves as the foundation of the ID card design. I adjust the size according to the standard ID card dimension to ensure that the design looks proportional and realistic. In the Figma interface, there are several important sections, such as the canvas in the center and the design area, the layer panel on the left for managing element, and property panel on the right for adjusting color, size, and other settings. After creating the frame, I determine the design concept. In this project, I choose a modern and professional style using dark color combination such as black and gray with additional accent color to create an elegant look. Then I start building the background using the rectangle tool and add geometric shape to make the design more visually interesting and not monotonous. Next, I arranged the layout by dividing the design into several sections such as header, body, and footer. I applied alignment to ensure that all elements are properly aligned and look organized. I also use proximity to group related information such as personal data into one section. This makes the information easier to understand for the audience. In the next stage, I add visual elements such as profile photo, logo, and supporting icon. I use the image import feature in Figma and applied masking technique to adjust the photo shape, for example into a circular frame. I also add small icon to represent contact, communicative information such as phone, number, and email, making the design more communicative. After that, I add text using the text tool. The content include the name, identity as an ITPLN student, and contact details. In choosing typography, I selected a simple and professional font to ensure readability. I also adjusted text size to create visual hilarity so that important information like the name stand out more than other details. In the finishing stage, I revised the overall design carefully. I adjusted spacing between elements and used white space effectively to avoid uh, cluttered appearance. I ensure proper balance so the design does not feel too heavy on one side, and I applied contrast, contrast to make important elements stand out clearly. Additionally, uh, I added I add effects such as a shadow and gradient to enhance the visual appearance. The tools I use in this process include frame, shape, shape tools, text tool, image import, masking, and alignment feature in Figma. This tool helped me create a clean and professional design efficiently. Using Figma makes the design process easier, more flexible, and more organized since all features are available in a cloud-based platform. In conclusion, this ID card design was created throughout structural step, starting from concept planning, layout creating, add visual element, and text to the final refinement stage. By applying design principles such as alignment, proximity, balance, contrast, and white space, the final design become more attractive, easy to understand, and effective in delivering information. Thank you.